Hey, today I have 3 mistakes that you're making with your short form videos and how to fix them. The first one is not captioning your videos, and there are 2 reasons why this is important. The first reason is that it makes your videos accessible to the tens of thousands of people who are either deaf or hard of hearing. And the other reason is because studies show that most people watch videos with the sound off. So if your videos don't have captions, they're liable to just keep scrolling. Number 2 is not removing dead spaces. People that were watching short form or social media videos are expecting them to move along at a quick pace. That doesn't mean talking at a fast pace, although I am a fast talker. What it does mean is trimming out the dead space in the center if you're talking and you take a long pause before you go to the next line, or trimming the beginning and the end of your video so that there's not that dead space before you start speaking when the video starts. And number 3 is not having fun with your video. No, that doesn't mean that you need to dance on camera, although you can if you want to, but try using one of the very easy to adapt templates on CapCut. Most of them only require you to upload a very short video clip or maybe even an image to jump on a social media video trend.